Venkatesham. I'm going to discuss about pH of acid-base indicator. In this video, I'm going to discuss about pH of acid-base indicator, and here indicator is a chemical substance or the auxiliary substance that can detect the color change or a odor change in acidic medium or basic medium, and that particular chemical substance is it's a indicator, right? Other terms we can tell that this indicator is a dye, and that can detect the pH change in acid base titration is a it's a indicator, right? These indicators are the weak organic acid or here weak organic bases, right? So in this weak organic acid or a weak organic base will undergo the some extent to dissociation. There exists a equilibrium between the undissociated molecule and the dissociated ions. That means there exists a ionic equilibrium. From that we can write down the it's a dissociation constant or the equilibrium constant, right? So here before we are going to derive that pH of a acid base indicator, and first I will talk about here two important points. So one is end point is one, and other one is there is an equivalent point is another one, right? So end point is one, the point at which reaction between the acid and base is observed to complete, the color change is observed, that particular point is called as it's a end point. End point is a point at which there is a reaction between the acid and base, color change is observed, reaction is going to be completed, that particular point is simply a end point. And other one is there is a equivalence point, point is another one, right? This equivalent point is the point at which there is a reaction between the acid and base is theoretically completed as per the balanced chemical equation, or as per the stoichiometric chemical equation between the acid and base, or in other terms so the point at which there is a milli equivalence of acid is equals to the there is a milli equivalence of base, that particular point is it's a equivalence point, right? So as all we know that there is a here indicators are the we have further classified into two types of indicators are there. There is a natural indicators and synthetic indicators. In that synthetic indicators, generally these are the weak organic acids or the weak organic bases. Consider HIN is it's a weak organic acid, and it will be dissociated into the here H plus plus, it is an IN minus. So here HIN initially it will exhibit the one color, and in IN minus also it will exhibit the another color. There exists a ionic equilibrium between the undissociated HIN molecule and dissociated H plus and IN minus ions. There exists a ionic equilibrium. That equilibrium based on that ionic equilibrium we can write down the it's a equilibrium constant, the dissociation constant of this indicator, so that I can write this dissociation constant according to the law of mass action. And here dissociation constant of this indicator can be represented by a symbol KHIN is a dissociation constant, the equilibrium constant for this particular indicator, and here I can write this is a product of molar concentration of this product divided by product of molar concentration of reactant, so that I can write this is a H plus ion concentration into this is a IN minus ion concentration, here it is divided by this is a HIN concentration, right? So this is simply a dissociation constant of a indicator, so that I can write this dissociation constant of indicator is a KIN. So H plus ion concentration into IN minus ion concentration divided by it's a HIN concentration ma. So you can write this one as a simply and here KIN divided by it is the H plus ion concentration. So this I am taking this side so that from this I will get that this is a here IN minus ion concentration divided by it is a HIN concentration. Okay, so here we can frame that mainly there is three situations will be raised and by comparing the KIN and the H plus ion concentration, right? Suppose there is if KIN value is more than the it's a H plus ion concentration. So the magnitude of KIN is more than the H plus ion concentration. Then we'll find that there is a IN minus ion concentration is in the solution is more, so that the color of this IN minus ion is going to be predominant. So the color of IN minus is generally predominant. Whereas if second case is that here KIN value is lesser than the it's a H plus ion concentration. So then this color of here color of HIN. So that means Ki value is lesser than this H plus ion concentration. So that color of here HIN is going to be predominant, right? So here color of HIN is going to be a predominant. Whereas the third case is that if you will take both magnitude of KIN is equals to the H plus ion concentration, then equal amounts of both H plus ion concentration and it's a KIN will be the equal, right? So these are the three situations will be raised whenever we are comparing the magnitude of this KIN and H plus ion concentration. These are the three situations will be raised. But our aspect is to derive the pH of acid base indicator, and by using this one only, so you can write the here H plus ion concentration. Here H plus ion concentration is equals to, so from this H plus ion concentration you can make the subject of the formula. Here I can write this is a KIN into, so this is a HIN concentration divided by where it is a HIN concentration divided by where it is an IN minus ion concentration. So you can take the minus log on both sides. Whenever I am taking the minus log on both sides, here minus log of H plus ion concentration, that is equals to, this is a minus log of where it is in a KIN. So that is a minus log of so this is a HIN concentration, so divided by this is an IN minus ion concentration. Okay, so if we'll take the minus log for both sides, and generally this minus log of H plus ion concentration equals to minus log of KIN, and this log m into n, log m plus n will write before we are taking the minus. That's the reason I can write minus log of HIN concentration divided by IN minus ion concentration. This is a simply a also the pH basic definition. This is a pH is equals to it is in pKin. So this is a minus log of where it is a HIN concentration divided by where it is a IN minus ion concentration, right? So this is a simple formula that will be helpful to find out its pH of the acid base indicator, right? So as all we know that at equivalence point, generally at equivalence point, so we know that there is an here HIN concentration should be equals to the there is an IN minus ion concentration. So concentrations of both HIN concentration is equals to the it's a IN minus ion concentration. So that I can write here simply if both are at equivalence point, so HIN concentration is equals to the IN minus ion concentration. If you substitute here, so that I will get this is a simply a pH is equals to this is pKin, so that is minus log of, so both will get cancelled here, so that you will get simply a log 1, right? I can write simply this is a pH is equals to log 1 is a generally 0 so pKin will get this is a pKin, pH is equals to pKin, right? So when this is possible at equivalence point, concentration of HIN and its IN minus ion concentration are equal. If you will substitute this one in the above equation, then you will get pH equals to pKin.